Hello and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can translate closed captions on YouTube videos. So if you're familiar with YouTube, generally YouTube always creates automatic closed captions for any video. Some videos might already have approved or verified translations into other languages, depending on what the person who uploaded the video has their settings as, or whether they added those themselves. However, even if a video does not have closed captions in a language that you necessarily need, there is the way to translate it so that you can see it in your preferred language. Now, because it's an auto translation, it's not going to be perfect, but it is an option in case you would want one. So what we're going to do, we pulled up a YouTube video here, and over here on the bottom settings of that YouTube video, I have my closed captions, so I can turn those on. I'm practice playing my videos, so you'll see a few examples. This is for anyone
on
who's
May
a
27th,
cat lover.
1941.
It's pretty funny. So I have my closed captions there, and if you notice, these are in English by default. If I click settings, I'll see some options here, and I'm going to click subtitles, closed captions. Now this video is a different example than maybe what you'll see on most, in that the owner or really the creator of this channel, TEDx, they have already added in tons of different translations that are accurate. They are approved and verified by the person who uploaded this. Now, typically what you'll see is the auto translate, which is the very bottom of this one. So if I do auto translate, then I can select a different language that maybe they don't have on here, or this is actually what you might see on most videos because not every video has 30 different languages of closed captions already on there. So whenever I get to the language I want, I'll select it. And then if you notice here, all of my closed captions are now translated into Afrikaans. So I can play my video.
It
will continue to show closed captions in that language.
Sank in a fierce
and I can always go
firefight.
back to that settings cog and change it back into whatever language I need to for any video. The other helpful thing to know here, especially when you're supporting students or they need to have these options, whether they're ELLs or they have specific learning disabilities, you can also adjust the playback speed on a video as well, so it plays faster or slower. And sometimes it's helpful, especially if a student is really reading those closed captions, to play a little bit slower so they can process it at the speed that they need to. So if I click playback speed, again, still here in the settings cog menu, I can select the speed that I want. If I increase the number here, it increases the speed, so it's going to play faster. Whereas here, I can slow down the speed of the video as whatever I need it to be. You can also even do a custom speed if you have a specific one that you know you already like. And again, that can also be adjusted and turned off and go back to normal if you click the settings cog once more. So those are just some helpful options in YouTube so you can personalize it to fit your needs and to support your students.